Students of class 9th, I am Prabha. In my previous video, part 3 of People as Resource, I had explained you about quality of population. In that video, I had explained you about how education become a component of quality of population, important terms related to education, the steps taken by the government to increase literate population of India, and the steps taken by the government to provide quality education to girls. In this video, part 4 of People as Resource, I will explain you about the other component of quality of population, that is health. The important topics which we'll discuss in this video are as the first is how health becomes a component of human resource development. What are the important terms related to health? What are the role of health in human capital formation, and what are the role of health in individual working life? Now I am going to explain all the topics one by one. The first topic is health, a component of human resource development. Students, how health become a component of human resource development? As we know, health is another very important component of human resource development. Efficiency of workers largely depend on their health. There has been considerable improvement in the country's health standard. For instance, the life expectancy at that time of birth in India rose from 37.2 years in 1951 to 63.9 years in 2015. Similarly, infant mortality rate has come down from 147 to 70 during the same time period. The next topic is important terms related to health. The first term is what is health? Health means to realize potential and the ability to fight illness is called health of a person. Means to realize potential and the ability to fight illness is called health of a person. The next topic is life expectancy. The average period that a person may expect to live is called life expectancy. The next topic is infant mortality rate, which is also denoted by IMR. The number of children that die before the age of 1 year as a proportion of 1000 live children born in that particular year is called infant mortality rate. The formula of infant mortality rate is given. The next topic is birth rate. What is birth rate? The number of babies born for every 1000 people during a particular period of time is called birth rate. The next topic is death rate. The number of people per thousand who die during a particular period of time is called death rate. The next topic is role of health in human capital formation. Students, what are the role of health in human capital formation? Health education alone do not lead to the creation of human capital. Health also plays an important role in formation of human capital. The role played by health in formation of human capital are as the first is to make people strong for education and training. Health makes people strong to fight against illness and make them healthy. Healthy people can get more benefit from education and training as compared to an unhealthy people and easily convert into human capital. The next is to make realize potential of an individual. Health status of an individual realize his potentiality to become a human capital. As a human population which is educated but unhealthy cannot realize their potential. The next is to convert population into an assets. Good health of people convert them into an assets for a country, as the health of a person is directly related to his efficiency as compared to an unhealthy individual. An unhealthy population is a liability and not an asset for a country. These are the role of health in human capital formation. The next topic is role of health in individual working life. Students, what is the role of health in individual working life? The health of an individual helps him to realize his potential and also gives him the ability to fight against illness. The next is the health of a person is directly related to his efficiency, as an unhealthy individual is a liability to his place of work. The next is as compared to an unhealthy individual, a healthy person can work more efficiently and with greater productivity. The remaining topic of this chapter will continue in next videos. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment section of this channel. Please like, share and subscribe for latest updates. Thank you, students.